Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Cuisinart Coffee Pods is probably one of the most convenient ways to enjoy a delicious cup of coffee at home, offering a wide variety of flavors and roasts to suit any palate, all within a single-serve brewing system that's both quick and easy to use, making your morning routine a breeze. Number 5. Keurig K-Mini Plus Coffee Maker, Cardinal Red. Introducing the Keurig K-Mini Plus, the compact coffee maker designed to fit anywhere. Enjoy your favorite coffee brewed fresh, just the way you like it. At less than 5 inches wide, it's perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. Despite its size, it delivers a strong and intense brew every time. Customize your coffee experience by choosing any cup size between 6 to 12 ounces. Simply add fresh water for each brew using the convenient removable reservoir. Get your delicious coffee in minutes, brewed fresh just for you. It's designed for ultimate portability, making it easy to take anywhere. This model comes with a handy pod storage unit that fits right inside the brewer. It holds up to 9 K-cup pods, keeping them organized and saving counter space. Enjoy your coffee on the go. The design accommodates travel mugs, so you can take your perfectly brewed cup with you wherever your day leads. What we like? This brewer is incredibly compact, making it perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. It also conveniently stores up to 9 pods. If you're looking for a no-fuss, space-saving coffee solution that still delivers a strong cup, this is the one for you. What people say. It comes with large water reservoirs, so no need to add water for each cup. It's really small and doesn't take up much counter space. Built-in cord storage and coffee bin are nice as well. Does a good hot cup of coffee, no need to adjust temperature as it comes up too hot to drink right away. Like a coffee maker should. Number 4. Cuisinart 12-cup coffee maker with single-serve brewer. Introducing the Cuisinart Coffee Maker, designed for ultimate brewing versatility. Enjoy a full 12-cup pot or a single-serve brew in 6, 8, or 12 ounces. Whether you need a large pot for guests or a quick single cup for yourself, this machine handles it all. Customize your coffee experience with ease. Crafted in a stylish black and stainless steel finish, it complements any kitchen countertop. Its modern aesthetic is as impressive as its performance. Operating this coffee maker is straightforward, ensuring a hassle-free experience from morning to night. Refer to the user guide for optimal first-time use. This is the perfect appliance for any coffee lover, offering both capacity and convenience. Start your day with delicious, freshly brewed coffee tailored to your needs. What we like? This versatile machine offers both a full 12-cup carafe and single-serve brewing options, catering to different needs throughout the day. If you often brew for yourself in the morning and then for a crowd later, or simply enjoy the flexibility, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Cuisinart K-cup unit works very well. Unlike the Keurig, which used a single water source to both brew multiple cups and single K-cups, the Cuisinart has a separate, 40-ounce water capsule for the single-cup brewer, and none for the drip brewer. It passed with flying colors, registering 195 degrees on 2 different thermometers. The coffee was hot, even after adding cream, and delicious. The Cuisinart has a V or wedge-type basket, which I find that it funnels the water into the grounds. The Cuisinart had a nice large water spout in conjunction with a wedge basket directing the waters through the grounds. I found I don't have to use as much coffee to get the flavor I want. Therefore makes a better cup of coffee. Number 3. Cuisinart SS 10P1 Single-Serve Coffee Maker. Experience the ultimate in home brewing with this fully programmable and versatile coffee maker. It's ideal for both personal enjoyment and entertaining guests, making it a perfect addition to any household. Enjoy the flexibility of brewing with any brand of single pods, including Keurig K-cup pods. It also comes with a reusable filter cup, allowing you to use your favorite ground coffee. Select your ideal serving size with options for 6, 8, or 10 ounces of your favorite coffee. Plus, a dedicated hot water button is available for tea, soup, or cocoa. Refilling is a breeze thanks to the large, 72-ounce water reservoir. It's easily removable for convenient and quick refills. Take your coffee on the go. The removable drip tray easily pulls out to fit most travel mugs. It also makes cleaning up quick and convenient. What we like? With its generous 72-ounce reservoir, you can brew many cups before refilling, and it even has a dedicated hot water dispenser for tea or soup. If you value convenience, enjoy multiple hot beverages, and want a brewer that accommodates larger travel mugs, this model is ideal. What people say. It has two temps, regular and hot. The coffee is actually hot and tastes way better than any maker I've had before. The 72-ounce reservoir is thoughtfully sized, letting me go several days without refilling, which is especially convenient in a busy household. Brewing is very quick and consistent, and the 3-cup size options make it easy to dial in the strength I want depending on the pod or time of day. Number 2. Cuisinart compatible replacement charcoal water filters, 12-pack. Enjoy perfectly brewed coffee every time. These filters are designed to fit all Cuisinart coffee makers, whether they're brand new or have been with you for years. Our filters feature a special micromesh material. This ensures that the activated charcoal stays securely inside, preventing any mess or clogs in your coffee maker. Experience the best tasting coffee. By removing impurities like chlorine, calcium, and odors, these filters help create a truly delicious cup. We use ultra-fine-grained charcoal for superior performance. The finer granules provide a larger surface area, maximizing the water's exposure for effective filtration. Start your day with the taste of fresh, home-brewed coffee. These filters purify your water, removing unwanted elements before brewing for a consistently great flavor. This pack includes 12 filters, providing a convenient and long-lasting solution for your coffee brewing needs. Keep your coffee tasting its best for months to come. What we like. These filters are designed to remove impurities, chlorine, and odors from your water, significantly enhancing the taste of your coffee. If you're serious about the best tasting coffee and want to ensure your Cuisinart machine performs optimally, using these filters is a must. What people say. These charcoal replacement filters fit perfectly and noticeably improve the taste of coffee. They're easy to install and do a great job filtering out impurities. The buildup in my machine can get pretty bad, so having reliable filters that effectively reduce mineral deposits makes a big difference in maintaining the coffee maker's performance and flavor. Number 1. Coffee Machine Cleaner Descaler Tablets, 24 count. Keep your coffee machine performing at its best with these powerful cleaning tablets. They are designed to effectively remove scale and residue, ensuring every cup is as delicious as the first. Over time, mineral buildup can affect the taste of your coffee and the efficiency of your machine. These tablets help restore both, bringing back the rich flavor and optimal function you love. Our versatile cleaning tablets are compatible with a wide range of popular coffee machine brands. Whether you own an Nespresso, Keurig, Ninja, or DeLonghi, these tabs will work perfectly. Using these scaling tablets is simple and straightforward. Just follow the easy instructions for a thorough clean that protects your investment. This pack contains 24 individual cleaning tablets, providing you with multiple cleaning cycles. Ensure your coffee maker stays in top condition for months to come. These cleaning tabs are suitable for both drip coffee makers and espresso machines. Enjoy a perfect brew, no matter your preferred coffee style. What we like. These descaling tablets are essential for maintaining your coffee machine's performance and longevity by removing internal buildup. If you want to ensure your brewer always makes coffee at the right temperature and avoid costly repairs, regular descaling with these tabs is highly recommended. What people say. The Descaler tablets worked great. I ran one tablet through the machine, then 2 rinse cycles with plain water, and the coffee machine is brewing like brand new. No vinegar aftertaste either. Much better than vinegar and not nearly as messy. The coffee machine cleaner worked as well as using white vinegar and water. It was quicker and easier to use. After cleaning, I could tell it worked because the volume of water increased for each cup setting. These coffee maker cleaning tablets from Active work really well and feel like a quality product. The tablets are individually wrapped, easy to use, and the instructions are clear for both single-serve and multi-cup machines. It's reassuring to know they're designed to decale, deodorize, and refresh. A box of 24 is excellent value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.